Well, there's one way to lower the center of gravity on your rig. What do you guys think? Hey everybody, it's Peter with ClassicSteelRC over here. Got my Red Cat Gen 8 on the table today, or shall I say tables. Gonna be weighing down my wheels. I can't believe I've been completely forgetting about this, but I've been needing to weigh down these wheels for a while. I've been focusing on my other RCs and I never weighed these down. So I got some wheel weights. Ordered them from Amazon. I actually got real automobile, full-scale automobile weights. 11 of these will wrap nicely inside, and that's going to add a significant amount of weight.
Yeah, it's very heavy.
So it's going to be pretty awesome. Let's see how much weight I actually add. So to weigh down the wheels, I've gone ahead and put these automotive wheel weights on there, wrapped them around the rim. That's stock right there, and this is wrapped. So what I'm going to do in addition, even though these are adhesive wheel weights, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the entire thing with duct tape too, just to keep them on there nicely. So I'll show you guys when it's all done. Some people might not know how to remove beadlock wheels or disassemble beadlock wheels. I mean, it's probably pretty obvious, but on the Red Cat Gen 8, it is a 3-piece beadlock. So you've got a beadlock on the front of the rim and a beadlock on the back of the rim. And then you've got the actual rim itself, the wheel itself, and then the wheel itself is actually the insert as well. So you've got the rim, which is the insert, and then a steel rim on the outside, or steel, that's the bead lock right there. Trying to focus here. And then one on the back side. So. And then you've got the tire sandwiched in between. You got to make sure that the tire goes into the groove right here on both sides. And like I said, you just put that on there. Probably pretty obvious, but I just wanted to point that out.